at Nina Chicago.
This is the gag reel.
Because what you guys don't know is that, like, literally when we're not filming a tutorial or a segment,
We are total clowns.
we are ridiculous goofballs.
Yeah.
And we'll just sit here until the shop opens and be goofy with yarn and each other.
Sometimes even after the shop opens.
It's true. There's occasional times when the staff is like, can you two take it elsewhere?
It's true.
It's for a little, you know, boisterous.
Just having fun.
Sipping the tea. You guys are getting a real glimpse behind the scenes at Nina Chicago, which, by the way, when I tell you that I live here, I don't lie. I basically live here.
And we really love having her.
Well, thank you for that.
Yeah,
but
of course.
I know that you only bring things that are pertinent, and I can't help but wander my eye to see that there's a package.
Noticing this right here by my
I
tea.
did notice that you brought a package to today's tea.
Well, you know, this package has some significance, and I wanted you to see this because, look who it's from.
It's from Clinton Hill Cashmere, you guys!
Yeah, so you...
I love Rebecca!
This is such a great story because you told me about them.
I
and you
did.
were like, oh, they would be such a good fit for your shop. And then she reached out to me, and I was like, oh, you must have talked to Michele. And she was just like, no, we just thought we'd be a good fit for your shop.
Because I know they would be. Oh my gosh. Wait till you touch this. Did you touch it yet? Wait.
No.
Okay.
I'm just opening it now.
Okay.
Okay. See, this is super cute. Like,
Oh, see, Rebecca.
I like the branding.
Can we
the
give props
packaging.
to the packaging? It matters, you guys. It does matter.
All right, I'm so excited.
Okay, wait. Like, I'm excited too.
I'm ready. I'm so excited. You've been like really talking this up.
Because it's so good.
And then you get a little bag.
Yeah, you get a little project.
Love it. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so ready. It looks amazing.
Wait till you touch it.
Wow. Oh wow. It's really nice.
Worsted weight.
That's incredible. I know you don't see that for cashmere. For really nice cashmere.
I had to touch. Sorry, I have to touch it.
That feels amazing.
Okay, so I literally spent like a day at Vogue walking around there just touching my shit. Because it was so good. I was like, I can't leave your booth because it's just like.
This feels amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait till you work it
It's
up.
absolutely lovely. I can't wait to play with it.
And it's worsted weight.
I know.
Oh my god. Okay, so you guys are like really getting the behind the scenes. Like, I'm stealing her yarn, I promise. Rebecca, I'll give it back. I love it so much. Aww.
That feels amazing.
It does. And when you work, I will tell you this, that I don't like cashmere because of my arthritis. It's usually very fine.
Yes.
And all of the cashmeres, so I thought that I didn't like cashmere until I found this. And I realized I didn't like
you just don't like the fire weight cashmere. But you don't often see it in this weight, so I'm excited about that.
I know you were trying to get your hands on it.
Yeah, I know.
It's so good. Oh my god.
And I love it's got like a little bit of fuzziness to it, but it's still gonna get some stitch on it.
It will, and it frogs well. I have to tell you that the hat that I was making.
Like I ever need to frog.
She's perfect.
I'm totally kidding.
Yeah. She doesn't frog. I come in and I'm like, look, it's my pile of yarn. This used to be.
No, we frog all the time. It's a necessary.
But this
thing.
handled, when I was making a hat, it handled being frogged really well. And it's just so yum. I'm so excited, yay!
Well, thank you so much for sending it. I'm so excited to try it out.
Yeah, and I mean, we're basically just gonna sit here and have tea and
We're gonna have tea.
over
We're just gonna hold
Clinton
it.
Hill Cashmere and hello. And oh my gosh, it's coming to Chicago. Clinton Hill Cashmere is coming to Chicago. That will make me so happy.
Yay.
I hope you carry it. Okay. But I'm not biased. I just love it.
Yeah. I'm not biased and I think it feels amazing.
Told you. That's so funny that she called you.
I know.
That's I gotta say,
it was like her ears were burning, like she knew you said something, or it was just all meant to be. So
I'm seeing her next week in New York, and I was gonna say something, and now I don't have to because she already called you.
She already called. We're already in touch.
And I told you, I was like the one I found from Vogue that you have to.
Yeah. That was like the first thing you told me about when you came back. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yay! Okay. So we're gonna sit here and gossip and about cashmere, not gossip. Well, a little bit about yarn.
Yeah.
I mean, is yarn gossiping? Or yarn snobbing, it's called.
Well, you know, gossiping and snobbery go together, so yes.
So we'll be doing
yarn snobs that are gossiping.
We'll be doing yarn snobbery, and we'll be having tea, and we'll be goofballs until the staff comes in and makes us leave.
Yes.
So, see ya, you got the behind the scenes scoop today.